value creation, excellent service, talent optimization. Precision manufacturing are the principal values of Chuanyi. Foshan Chuanyi Precision Machinery Company Limited is located in Foshan, an important manufacturing base in China. Since its establishment in 2008, Chuanyi has been dedicated to researching, developing, and applying automation integration solutions within the injection molding industry and servicing of injection robot, in-mold labeling systems, automatic cutlery packaging systems, and high-precision molds. We are a high-tech enterprise, integrates the research and development, manufacturing. Our dedication to quality and innovation has enabled us to deliver value to our customers in the high-end market, both locally and globally. With the unwavering support of our customers, Chuanyi products have reached over 30 countries worldwide, and we have established more than 20 sales and service outlets throughout China. We have invested in over 30 state-of-the-art high-precision CNC and milling machines, as well as other advanced high-precision processing equipment. All of our precision machine parts are produced in a workshop with constant temperature and humidity control, ensuring an accuracy level of up to micrometers. We also utilize high-precision 3-coordinate measuring instruments and supporting testing equipment to ensure that our products meet the highest standards of quality. Over the years, Chuanyi has gradually cultivated and consolidated a highly skilled technical research and development team. Through independent research and development, we have obtained more than 30 patents for inventions and utility models, and have been recognized as a high-tech enterprise and specialized and innovative enterprise in Guangdong Province. Chuanyi was the first domestic enterprise to propose the concept of high-speed robot and successfully apply it to the production of disposable cutlery and thin-walled industry. We are also one of the earliest domestic enterprises to develop and apply in-mold labeling systems to industry customers. The applied products include milk tea cups, yogurt cups, ice cream containers, chemical bucket, and more. For the automatic production and packaging of disposable cutlery, Chuanyi is an enterprise that can provide customers with the most comprehensive solutions, including single packaging, four-sided sealing packaging, bulk pack packaging, etc. Furthermore, to enhance the productivity of a single machine and decrease production costs for customers, Chuanyi has successfully developed the first-ever set of cutlery stacking molds and automatic packaging systems in China. This breakthrough innovation has significantly improved customers' competitive advantages in the market. By leveraging the advantages of mold manufacturing, we have integrated molds and automation seamlessly, resulting in a reduction of customers' repeated investment in trial and error costs. Chuanyi provides comprehensive one-stop mold and automation solutions to customers. At Chuanyi, we believe innovation and co-creation are the keys to our success and an approach to communicate with our customers. We recognize that collaboration with our clients is essential to develop the best solutions to meet their needs. Looking to the future, we are committed to working hand-in-hand with you, our valued customers. We will continue to approach our work with an attitude of respect, inclusiveness, and innovative wisdom as we strive to reach new heights together. Infinite possibilities. Wisdom Chuanyi.